putting the welfare of the millions of people belonging to the LDCs at the center of affirmative policy action remains our most cherished goal. Let me assure you that Pakistan will actively support the implementation of the Doha Programme of Action, including within the framework of South-South cooperation. Before concluding, Mr. President, I would once again like to congratulate my brother, the Amir of Qatar, the government of Qatar, for the immaculate arrangements of this conference. Qatar has further bolstered its standing in the Community of Nations as a champion of sustainable development of the global South. The beautiful city of Doha has indeed emerged as a global center of international events, as so very ably